in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Hey cousin, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the gang. My name is Tata LaBoss. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I teach people just like yourself how to repair their credit and how to start a party favor business. And here on my channel, I like to teach you guys everything that I know how to do in the simplest way. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I will be teaching you how to start a party favor business with $0. Now, this video will be me just kind of explaining if I were to start from scratch today with $0 to my name, how I would personally start my party favor business. And I'm going to be talking to you guys while I design some party favors that I do have for an order. So if you don't know, my How to Start a Party Favor Business ebook is available for only $47, and it does include everything that you need to get started in one place. I have all the templates you need to begin, the images, the websites. I have credit repair information. I explain how to build your business credit and so much more. It is definitely worth the $47 investment, and you can easily make that back in the same day if you complete the ebook. And just put what you learn to use. Now, first things first, what I would do if I was starting from scratch, just take my business serious. That's the first thing I would suggest to you. Take your business serious. You need a business name, you need separate social media and all of that, because at the end of the day, if you don't take your business serious, nobody else is going to take you serious. And that also includes promoting yourself on a regular, talking about your business on a regular. You can't announce that you're starting a business in January and go ghost until March. And I do understand things happen, things do happen, but if you want to take this serious, you have to take this serious. It's not even if you want to take this serious. I mean, unless you're really not trying to make it no money and this is just a hobby for you. But if you want to start a legit business with a lucrative income on side of your 9 to 5 and, to work your way up to replace your 9 to 5, you have to take this serious. Just as serious as your 9 to 5. Just like you go to work and you work hard, you need to work hard in your business, because at the end of the day, it's like, why would you go to work and work so hard for someone else's dream? Like, what about your dream? What about, your generational wealth? You gotta work hard for yourself just as hard as you work for the next person's business. The next thing that I would do is download Canva. Canva is where I design most of everything that I use my party favors. Not everything, because I do use Cricut Design Space as well, but I use Canva with, I would say, probably 90% of my designs. And I do have a free chip bag template available. The link will be in the description for anyone that would like to use that to practice designs. I would highly suggest that. It is very, very helpful, and it is free. So for the time being, because it could be unavailable soon, just depends on when you see this video. Now, one of the first things that I would do personally, I would ask my family and friends, or even like post on social media asking if there was anybody that I knew that wanted like free custom chip bag designs for any event that they had coming up. And I would kind of just explain to them, hey, I'm new here. I just started this business. I can actually make the design for you for free. However, if you want me to print it out and assemble it, there will be a fee for that. And I would say the first few orders that you do, I would say offer a really, really cheap price, but to be honest, I would not even charge them. Because honestly, you got to understand, your first few orders, you're really just practicing. So at this point, I don't think money is that important. You got to get your practice first. You got to get your content to be able to post. So at this stage, I would say don't even worry about money right now. So now, obviously, when you just starting off, you probably don't have a printer. If you do, even better, you good. And if you happen to have an HP printer, even better, because you can use HP Instant Ink, and that's literally the best thing ever. But you can always go to your local library, Office Max, Office Depot, any place like that, and just pay them to print. And I know at places like Office Depot and Office Max, because honestly, when I first started out, I did not have a printer either. So I can't remember because it was so long ago. But I feel like I used to go to Office Max to print when I first started out. And I can't remember. I want to say it was like $1 a page. I'm pretty sure it was like $1 a page. So now you really got to determine, how to calculate the cost of all your goods needed to fulfill the order, so you can see how much you need to charge them. And then later on, like I said, after you get your practice and you really start charging them, that's when you're going to add in like your profit. So you're going to get some profit later on. So let's say we fulfilling an order for chip bags. Okay, so the library costs $1 to print. The chip bags are 50 cents. We're gonna say the paper 25 cents. So that costs about $1.75 to make the chip bag. So like I said, on your first few orders, charge them that price. If they wanted it printed out and assembled, just charge them $1.75. And again, don't worry about the profit from this order. Just focus on the thought of you're getting practice. Not only are you getting practice, you're getting content, because you need to either be posting while you're making it, making like a TikTok or a reel, or even taking pictures or videos after you made it and posting it on your business accounts. This is content, and content is king. So this is very, very, very important. And then if you do a good job, they are going to give you a review. That's what you have to understand. When you satisfy a customer, they are either going to tell somebody about it, they're going to post about it, they're going to leave you a review if you have a website, or they're going to text you or DM you, email you. They are going to tell you when you do a good job. And getting reviews is great, because now that lets other people know, okay, this person is legit. They got reviews. People are saying they like them. People are saying they are legit. They are not a scam, especially if you're selling online to people that you don't know and you have to ship something to them. A lot of times we automatically think, okay, this might be a scam. Let me go through their page and see if anybody has commented or tagged them in anything, letting me know that this person is legit. Okay? Now, the key to starting a business like this, like I said, is content and word of mouth. So I would suggest that you, like I said, post everything that you make. The more content you create, the better chances of giving yourself more people to see your business. And this party favor business is literally a $1 million industry, and it is very lucrative when you put in the work. Let me say that again. It is very lucrative when you put in the work. You got to understand the day and age that we live in, everybody is ordering custom party favors. It's like we don't have regular boring parties anymore. Like, let's be for real. People are going to support you. One, if they know you are in this business. Two, if they like your work. And three, if your customer service is good. Like, these same people are ordering from someone else, but you will be surprised how many people would rather order with somebody that they know personally. Your family and your friends are going to help you tremendously and essentially give you time to practice your designs when you first start, your business. But you got to understand, though, even though you are just practicing, you got to make sure that you're giving them quality work. That's why I say you need to practice before you even try to, tell everybody that you started this business. Make sure you practicing. You need to be, good at this. You don't want to just make anything and have people showcase it and tagging your name to something that, look like shit. Like, let's just be for real. Like, it needs to look good. It definitely needs to look good. Now, that brings me to customer service. So, if you want to be in business for a long time and have your customers promoting you, you have to have great customer service, y'all. I cannot stress this enough. Literally, your customer service, like, you got to give Chick-fil-A customer service. You got to give Target customer service. You got to give Publix customer service. You got to give Saks customer service. Like, don't give Walmart customer service. Don't give McDonald's customer service, if that makes sense. And I feel like I don't even have to go in depth, because I feel like we here And y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Give good customer service, because nothing is better than receiving sales from word of mouth. That means somebody shopped with you just because they heard about your business from somebody else. So now they thinking like, okay, I know this person is legit because my homie just posted on her story saying she just received her order and she tagged this person. And now my homie just uploaded a video of what the chip bag. So I know they look good. And she also tagged her and said, "Thank you so much, blase, blase, blase." Oh, so I know her customer service is going to be good. I know I'm going to be satisfied. So I'm going to shop with this person. And that's exactly how people think of it before they're ready to shop. So, like I said, this is a great business to join, and it is very easy money. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It's not hard at all. It is not hard at all. It is very easy money. But just like with anything else in life, basically, it's like whatever you put into it, that's what you're going to get out of it. So, if you want to half-ass it, that's on you. If you want to give it your all, that's on you. You're literally going to get whatever you put into it. So, if you want to take it serious, take it serious. If not, then the result is going to show that you're not taking your business serious. But y'all, that's all I got for this video. I don't want it to be too long because, child, I love to talk. And it's like once I start talking, I'll just be talking and everything just be straight off the dome. But yeah, you guys, so if you have any questions about anything that I cover in this video, all you have to do is drop a comment and I will be sure to respond to you. You can always email me if you have any further questions. And you guys, so for the month of September, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the How to Start a Party Favor ebook on sale for just $9 because September is my favorite month because it's my birthday month and my favorite number is 9. So why not just go ahead and give this to you guys for only $9, so you guys don't have no excuses. Go ahead, click the link in my description to purchase this. Start your party favor business today. See y'all soon.